We like to use hand-sized portions because it's with you everywhere you go and it gives you just kind of a visual cue. How much is the size and volume of the palm of your hand? How much can fit into a cupped handful? What is the size of your thumb? These cues can give you an idea when you're choosing how much prepared food to put on your plate. And then you're like, okay, where's my protein? Do I have a grain? Is there a vegetable? Am I including dairy with this meal? What really trips people up, however, is most people don't have single ingredient foods that are separated on their plate. This is the classic, right? Here's a chicken, here is a broccoli, here is a rice. They don't touch each other, there's no sauces. People don't tend to eat like that. Most cultural uh, foods are combined. They're recipes. When you're thinking about hand portion sizes, how do you know how much is in a casserole